I get a little closer with the camera here, this is where the diff is right here, and there's an axle that goes through, and if you don't take the axle out, there's a piece on here that would get busted if you try and pull it out right there. So you don't want to do that. So this assembly back here will come out, and then there's a spring clip and a bunch of bolts, and then this pump come out from the front, and we'll replace it. So the objective is here is to basically change the pump and the torque converter and put this thing back together. This transmission worked great, except for the terrible noise from the torque converter. I don't want to take anything else apart if I don't need to. The next step in this process is I want to protect the inside of this shaft, where the shaft goes in, and then this ring comes out, and then all these plates come out. So I'm going to pull that out. Next piece is this ring here needs to come out, and that just comes up and out. Just lay it over there. Now the next part of the procedure is to take this spring out, and believe it or not, I have this Harley-Davidson tool from Motion Pro that actually should work pretty well, I think, to press it. So here's the setup I came up with. There's a hose clamp under there, this Motion Pro tool, and a 1/2-inch bolt that is through a piece of wood under the bottom here. And I'm going to compress it to take that spring out. So here's what it looks like with the spring removed and all the plates out. And here they are here. Next piece to come out is this ring here. This is a vane pump, I believe. And I pushed it up with a little screwdriver and it just pops right out. It's got an O-ring in it that I'm going to replace when I put it back together. And now we can get to the pump screws. And I believe it's all these outer ones. And I think it's 2 of these guys. And then the pump should come out. I've loosened these 8 bolts here, and this one here, this one's long, and I believe all the other 8 are the same length. Now 2 of them I screwed back in a little, and I'm going to give them a little tap and see if I can push out the pump. I missed a screw. This one needs to come out, and then easily pushed out. It helps if you get all the screws out, huh? Anyway, let's see if we can see me pushing this thing out now. I think it should come out, and it should be good. I believe it's moving.